Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is schedule group meetings according to availability. Planning meetings with groups of people with different schedules can be challenging. Google Calendar can help you plan meetings to accommodate all party schedules. Let's look at how to schedule group meetings according to availability. Open Google Calendar. From the top left of the main screen, select Create and then Event. Enter your meeting details, including a meeting title and location. Select Add Guests and enter the email addresses of your meeting attendees. Select Find a Time to manually scan for open times, or select Suggested Times to see time options when all parties are available. Choose your meeting time and select Save and then Send. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.